Hi guys, uh, I have just received my Razer Blade Pro from RMA. The issue was a defective LCD that had some dead pixels. Uh, to be precise, there was one dead pixel on this laptop, but the previous laptop had at least two or three dead pixels. Uh, Luckily, the whole laptop was replaced, but unfortunately, the replacement laptop had one dead pixel in the middle of the screen, and therefore it was sent back to Razer support. And here it is. The same laptop came back with a brand new LCD, and guess what? There are two dead pixels. Now I will try to show you where they are. The first one is here. Let me just try to focus on it. And so here it is. Just yeah, that's the one. It's just at the top of the screen, more on the left corner. And the second one is a very bright, intense. So I think you can easily identify. So this pixel can be easily identified on a black background, and the other one can be seen on a white background. So the distance between these two pixels is about 2 centimeters. So Razer, if you watch this video, I would like to say that I'm really disappointed in the quality of this laptop, or should I say in the screen. Thanks.